morning. I kind of just woke up and wanted to check in with you guys because I'm about to tell you guys something really top secret, but yet still you guys will know in due time. So I am moving and it's now what? It's March now. Whew. Very exhausted. I've been packing all week basically, but I did want to let you guys know that I'm planning to move, and they say that when you are experiencing true levels of transformation and change, sometimes you have to just keep that private until it actually happens, right? But I do want to document the process for you guys so that you know you're in tune. It's just that I'm starting months in advance to make everything happen. So my house right now, and hopefully you guys don't get a gist of this in my other recordings, but I am packing and you guys probably wouldn't even notice because I'm not gonna like show this part of stuff in my vlogs to come, but I do want to show you, like, yeah, everything is being packed up. Place is kind of a mess. My second bedroom, suitcases are lined out, guys. It's actually happening. I am moving. So yeah, these plastics need to come off though. I don't like seeing this. My OCD. And I'll talk about the move at some point in terms of like decision making and how this all came to pass. But yeah, I think it's just important for me to take this next step in life and make it happen, you know. So woo. Why do they call that bad manners? You know, like to slurp. You're just trying to get the last. I don't know, the things that are considered good etiquette. So funny. I guess it's just the sound it makes, yeah, probably. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna get my hair washed. I'm actually gonna go on the road, do a little bit of like, would I say shopping? I wouldn't really say shopping, but I'm gonna browse around a little bit. My mom's supposed to come here today too to help me like clean up and stuff, so that should be fun. But as you can see, we are clearing out the space. And before you know it, this will be empty. I already emptied the closet, leaving behind these hangers because more than likely I'm gonna get new hangers. So yeah, we're making progress. Shoe stand empty. Okay guys, so back to the very secret vlog that y'all won't see for another couple months. But as you can see, suitcases are lined up because I'm moving. A lot of things right now are just like everywhere. Like, look at that room. Boxes. Look at these shoes. 90% of these are to be given away, guys. And that's because I'm just not traveling with all of this. And then of course I'm doing like a lot of cleanup. So guys, this is so behind the scenes. As I said, like, you guys probably won't see this until I'm like settled in my new place, but like I'm packing, like I'm organizing, I'm wiping stuff down, like it's getting so real. There's not even a sheet on this bed because I have not been sleeping on this bed. I've been sleeping in the second bedroom. But yeah, I have so much to organize. Like, I have so much makeup to organize. It's just hectic vibes, guys. Cute. And I have another Fenty Beauty. Hey, why am my makeup so messy? I need to wipe these down so thoroughly. This is the Kilowatt in the Ginger Mule and Moscow Mule. Honestly, this is about done because I use it so often. So, ooh, see? It's about done. I'm actually gonna throw this out because, yeah, that's done. This here is what had everybody in a chokehold back in 2018. The Kilowatt Trophy Wife, which honestly still does wonders. Like, Rihanna was in her bag when she made this one. I haven't really used much of it because it's so powerful. Like, you can probably buy one of these and it lasts your lifetime. Unless you're like going out all the time and being glittery all the time. Alright, y'all. So I had to clean out my makeup lay and go because it was messy. So I'm going to add some multi-surface cleaner on it and just let that sit. Get all the makeup product off there because nah, this needs to be clean. Just add this in there too. It's just like the little bag that came along with it. I'm gonna have this like sit in here for a while because, you know, when I'm traveling and stuff, I want to make sure that everything is clean. Everything is clean. It just gives for a better feel. So I'm gonna have that sit for now. And then I'm gonna show you guys the progress I made. So this is the progress I've made with the layout of all my stuff. So I got like setting stuff here, highlighters here. This is like the miscellaneous section. I wish I could organize this a little bit better, but yeah, for now, this is what this is. And then I have like lip glosses and concealers here, and then got some more lip glosses and things for like mascara there. So yeah, it's far cleaner, and I completely, oops, this is actually too big for this section, so I have to put other. But yeah, so everything is perfect in there. So this is travel ready, honestly. And then in here, I kind of just put some stuff in because my lay and go, as you know, is like currently being cleaned. So I just put some stuff in here that I know I'll need, and like my travel essentials and stuff. But believe me, I feel like I need a whole new makeup set. But so as you can see here, I'm still in the mix of packing, right? So I have these little storage containers that I bought that are so cute, like they're color coordinated. And I bought this one, which goes along with this one. So I will eventually find use for what I'm putting in here. Little ASMR for you. I like the sound that these things make. But yeah, I'll eventually find what I'm doing with that. But I needed one more. I think I'm actually gonna put my clips, because I have this little Chanel box that I bought some sneakers in some time ago, and believe me, it's, yeah, it is filled with clips, like hair clips and stuff. So I'm actually gonna do it right now with y'all. I'm gonna put them in here so I can actually see them, because sometimes honestly I forget that I have these things. So I have this cute little Dior one. So I want to be able to see them so that I know what I have. And then this box is kind of old anyway, so I might throw it out. Yeah, so another one here. So yeah, to me this is just more efficient because I can pick, choose, refuse, you know, and like see what I have. So that's what I bought this for. And I'm going to pack me a packer. Okay, and I'm gonna throw this box out. I think I still have these shoes, but if I don't, they're somewhere in the mix of my stuff. halfway through the day, my face gets kind of, I don't know, just, it needs some rejuvenation. So I use this micellar cleansing water, and I just, you know, wipe my face. Let me start with, wait, 1 second guys. Let me start with juices. So I bought, I bought this Tropics juice, grape. Oh wow, I need to also try to find a way to like make my fridge look better. I don't know if today is that day, you know, because the way how I'm exhausted right now, I don't have like the energy to prep my fridge. I'm tired. But yeah, I have this tropic grapes. I'm just gonna put the juices on top. Got this cranberry apple. I got this bigger soda because lately I've been feeling for soda. I got these apples and grapes. What am I saying? This is not apples, cheese and grapes. I don't know why I'm thinking about apples. I got one of the waters. I have another one that I was drinking last night. I bought 2 of these. Done. So I'm going to use it to water my plants after this. My little patty plant at the front. I got these Lysol and Lysol wipes. So I will more than likely be using these this week. And for now, okay, so all good. Awesome. Okay, so then I got these groceries next that I wanted to unpack with you guys. When I said people had to help me in the supermarket yesterday because I could not, I honestly could not. I just brought this from the front of my house to bring here, so but guys, it's like so much. I got bread, hard-dough bread, so just leave that up there. Got these toasted chips from Rick's. I like these. I needed some foil paper, so I got these. Snacks, but anyway, I got these Capri Sun juices. I got, of course, the queen of Sucklegen. Okay, like, love these. It's not a grocery haul with me if I don't get some Sucklegen, okay? So I got some Sucklegen. I really need to make space in the fridge. Right. I got some corned beef unsalted. I don't like it to be too salty, so I got that. And I got Angus sausages. Got some Gatorade, these 3 colors. I got this Origin juice. So yummy. Origin juice, orange juice. It's called Orange Truth. I have these 2. I got some more. And I got this to bake some muffins. I baked these a week ago, was it? Yeah, I think so, and it was so good. Like, it was so delicious. I had to buy another pack. Almond milk. I got the unsweetened original. And if you know me, I undo the chips and pour them out, so we're gonna do that. Chips container. I can tell that I love Doritos, so I just open it up and pour it out. Oh, these are the flaming hot ones. Okay. They're very fiery though. They're very, very fiery. then I have Pringles too. I kind of just stack them on top, but all of the Pringles won't be able to fit, so I'm just gonna put some towards the top. And that's my chips drawer, not remote drawer. And that's my chips container, guys. And this is the chips jar filled with like the different layers of chips. So I got the regular Doritos, Pringles, and Flaming Hot Doritos. And then I have some corn kernels. Just gonna stuff these up here. Keep them cool. I got toaster strudel and French toast sticks. I haven't tried this though. I haven't tried the toaster. I haven't tried the French toast sticks, but I think they look delicious, so I'll tell you guys how I like these. And then I got these Jolly Rancher candies because sometimes I just have a sweet tooth, so got these. I'm gonna put the candies in here. Also got these Rice Krispie treats, so I'll just put them in there too. So that's empty. Here are my candies and my Rice Krispies. So I had bought some Oreos, so I'll just put these in here. And then, yeah. This was some pineapple juice that is done, so I'm gonna wash this. I'm going to move this box out of the way. So once I clean up this area, because I have some plates to wash and stuff, I will show you guys like how I fixed up the fridge, because it looks pretty nice in there now. And I'll just show you like how it all turned out. Alright, so a little time has passed and I took a shower. Took an evening shower and I feel real nice. I am in Skims from head to toe. Skims. I wish I had some Skims slides. That'd be really cute. I think they have them. I should probably buy a pair. But yeah, I love my hair. So cute. Got this little grab clip in the back. This is my fridge. Fully stocked. So why do I have the bun and cheese up here? Anyway, I just put them in here because I know they're gonna be eaten so quick. This is just a 1 week stock up for me. So juices, waters, Capri Suns, flour, orange juice. Got all my prenatal gummies, elderberry, you know, things I need. Sodas, juices, Pringles. Over here we have the Suppagens all stacked up. Got some wines. I forgot to show this too. I had bought coconut water and I have my muffin thing here. All these stuff are in here. So yeah guys, that's the fridge. I had some eggs in here too. What that was from before. Alright, love you guys. Bye. We're going to the river. Where are you in online class? We're going to the river. Okay. We're going to the river guys, and yeah, this is my fit. I'm wearing pretty little thing and it's really cute bathing suit top. Yeah, ready? All right, we are ready guys, so I'm gonna hopefully bring you guys and take some footage of the river. I think I look really cute. What do you guys think? think it's super cute. All right, let's go. Cute, right? All right, let's go. Yeah, it's really nice and it's cool. Really nice and cool. Alright guys, we have made it. Alright guys, so we are headed down to the YS Falls. We're going on this little country bus thing. I'm vlogging Trey. Thank you. It says welcome to paradise. How cute. Looks like a jungle. How gorgeous this is. This is Jamaica. Absolutely beautiful. How you feeling? On the way to the river. Right, Chibi? Oh, hell nah. This is if you want to like zip line over the falls. I don't know about that today. We'll see.
Alright, so the others, you can take pictures of the falls and come back.
That's just how I rock, that's just how I roll, that's just how I rock. And roll, 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 roll. I wanna rock and roll, you can tell by my clothes. I get high as fuck every day, I think I see a UFO. Every time I break you off, girl, I really let you go. Cause your love is all me. And I tell you what, and all the things I do, and all the things
Y'all up here. Can I set y'all up here? Okay. Hopefully this is not an awkward angle, but yeah guys, I've been real busy and I'm gonna try vlogging again more consistently. I'm on the road right now. I have a few errands to run. And yeah, I got my hair done. I'm feeling real cute. And yeah guys, I do want to have like a sit down with y'all though, and I kind of give like a life update, but this is kind of like a premature life update, kind of like I'm alive. Life is so unpredictable guys, so sometimes, like especially as a content creator, I have to take several moments to reallocate and realign, and I'm trying to do major things, and that just takes time and it takes patience. Like I've been really like tapping into my spirituality. Obviously, you know, Lord God is my savior, and like having the fruits of the spirit, peace, love, joy, patience. I don't know all of them, but I know that those are included. It takes time, it takes effort, it takes a lot of long suffering to actually, you know, reap the rewards of your labor. So that's kind of where I'm at. Like, I obviously do want to have like a more in-depth sit down, and you know, there are a few things in the making, but I don't want to, like, you know, prematurely announce anything. I feel like I don't want to block my blessings in those ways. So stay tuned. The last few videos that you guys would have seen from my channel would have been me moving out of my last place. Yeah. With that being said, that's a little hint, a little preview, but I'm not gonna be announcing anything just yet. I also will not be posting this content just yet. Y'all will probably see this a whole lot later, but you know, still recording for documentation purposes. So yeah, I hope y'all are doing well. I don't want to like spend too much time vlogging in the car because that's just not safe, and I do want to listen to my music. Yeah, I've been liking this Moneybagg Yo song called No Show. I think it's off one of his newer albums. I don't know, I found it on TikTok. Good, man. So I'm gonna listen to this. Bye.